Do you find all these abbreviations confusing? By the end of this video you'll know every memory type within a modern computer. There are two main types of computer memory: the primary memory that can be accessed directly by the CPU and secondary memory that is connected to the CPU through the Southbridge chip. The first type of primary memory is RAM, or random access memory. The random access part means that we can get our data in the same amount of time regardless of its location in the memory. This is in contrast to magnetic tapes that we have to rewind in order to get to the data we want. RAM is also volatile, which means that the data is gone when the power goes out. We can further divide RAM into two types: DRAM and SRAM, or dynamic and static random access memory. DRAM is made out of tiny capacitors that have to be recharged periodically, hence the name dynamic. On the other hand, SRAM is made out of flip-flops that can hold data without the need for a recharge, therefore it's called static. Another type of primary memory is called ROM, or read-only memory. As its name implies, data in ROM is really difficult or even impossible to change. It's only useful for stuff that has to be changed rarely, like the BIOS on our computers. This type of memory is non-volatile, which means that it retains data even if the power is switched off. ROM has three types: PROM, or programmable ROM, EPROM, or erasable programmable ROM, and EEPROM, or electrically erasable programmable ROM. PROM can be programmed only once, and that data becomes permanent, while EPROM and EEPROM can be programmed and erased multiple times. The difference is that EPROM is erased using ultraviolet light, while EEPROM is erased using electricity, which is much more flexible. Primary memory also includes blazing fast CPU registers and cache memory that are located inside the CPU, because they are used for the most frequently accessed data. Now that we've covered primary memory, we can go over secondary memory. This type of memory includes ultra-slow HDDs, super-fast SSDs, now obsolete optical drives, portable USB sticks, and so on. They are all used for long-term storage. Computer memory is commonly displayed in a hierarchy as follows. On the left side we have speed and price that increase from the bottom to the top, and on the right side we have capacity that increases from top to bottom. CPU registers and cache memory are at the top of the hierarchy, RAM is in the middle, and on the bottom are SSDs and HDDs. We can see that CPU registers are really fast, but also really expensive and have the least capacity. On the other hand, HDDs are very slow, but have very large capacity and are really affordable. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, push that like button, and if you want to see more, hit subscribe to receive future videos. Thanks for watching!